You're welcome to my channel Mindset Academy, where we want to solve a problem involving loci. Now, we'll be looking at an helical spring that has a square section. And the question goes like this. It says, draw two complete turns of a left-hand helical spring, 120 millimeter outside diameter and 36 millimeter pitch, made from 50 millimeter square section wire. So what you do first of all, let us first of all draw our horizontal line this way from here to here, and the vertical line this way from here to here. You can see that. So they are meeting at this point here. Now we see the external diameter is given to be what? 120, right? So one thing before I move there, I want you to understand something first of all. If I have a circle this way, right? And I divide this circle into two this way. I'll be having the left side of the semicircle and the right side of the semicircle. Now, if I elongate this further, one is facing here, which is the right side, and the other is facing here, which is what the left side. So if I project here to this side, means I'm drawing a right hand. If I project here to this side, means I'm drawing on a what? A left hand. And the question is telling us left hand helical spring. So what I'll do is, it will be facing this direction, right? So we're told the external diameter is 120. So I'll take half of it, which is given to be what? 60, right? Given to be 60. So I'm going to place it here at this point, right? And I'm going to draw the semicircle there. I'm going to draw the semicircle in this manner. You can see that. Now, the next thing is, we're told that it has a square section from 50 millimeter wire, right? 50 millimeter square section wire. So I'm going to, from this point, this will be my point 0, right? And I'll start measuring my 50 millimeter from that point. So from here, from 0 to this point here is what? It's 15 millimeter here. Can you see that? That's 15 millimeter there. So it is from that point here, this way. I am going to draw a semicircle from that point here, diameter 15 millimeter, and I'm going to take it to the other side. Right? Take it to the other side. This is what we have here. Now the next thing I'm going to do here now is that I'm going to divide this circle, this semicircle, into 6 equal parts. So if you take the radius of the circle here, from here to this point, right? You can see that I'll come to this point, I'll mark up, and I'll mark down, and I'll place it here. I'll mark this point, and I'll also place it here at 0. I'll mark this point. Can you see that? So I'll take my meter rule, and I'll now join each of those points. From here, I'll join to this point. From here, I'll join to this point. From here, I'll join to this point. From here, I'll join to this point, right? So I can easily start naming it. We're having here to be, this is 0, here will be what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and what? 6. Then I'll draw an horizontal line this way. From here, I'll draw a line this way. And at this point too, I'll draw another line this way. Is that taken? So we're told it has a pitch of 36. So a pitch of 36, and we're having 2 tone, meaning 36 times 2, that is 72. So I'll just measure my 36 here, which is at this point here, from 0 to 36 here. You can see that. And I'll start counting. So I must divide it into by 12. So divide 36 by 12, you'll be having 3. So each of the markation here must be 3 millimeter each. So if it's from 0, the next one will be what? 3. The next one will be what? 6. The next one will be what? 9. The next one will be what? 12. Then we have 15. We have 18. We have 21. We have 24. We have 27. We have 30. We have 33. We have 36 here. Can you see that? And I can repeat the feet again, another one again from the same point, right? I have again 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36. Yes, 36 that I have here. That is 2 tons. So from here to here is 72, right? If you measure it from this point from 0 to what? 72. Now I'll take my meter rule and I'm going to join those points with the help of my T-square. I'll connect each of these points to touch up here. So this is what we have here, right? So the next thing we'll be doing here is let's focus on the external diameter first. So I'll project the external diameter. So we'll say 1 is one of the external diameter, where 1 is the division line is between 1. I'll draw it to this point. 2 here also is external to this. I'll draw into here. 3 is already there, so we have 4. I'll connect it. We have 5. I'll connect it. Then 6. So since it's giving 15, we know from this point, right, to this point here is 15. Right? From this point here is 15. And if you can multiply 3 by 5, you'll be having 15 also. So if this is 0 to here, this is 3, this is 6, this is 9, this is 12, and this is what? 15. Can you see that? From 0 to this is 15. So I can easily tick in that point, this level here. Can you see that? So we'll start now. So the external first of all. So we'll move. First of all, let's start with this. From 0, where 0 meets 0, where 1 meets 1, where 2 come down, meet 2, where 3 meet 3, where 4 meet 4, where 5 meet 5, and where 6 meet 6. Right, this is where 6 meet 6 here. Is that taken? So I'll come again for the next one. 5 will become our 0, So we start moving. This is 1, where 1 meets 1, where 2 meet 2, right? Where 3 meets 3 here, where 4 meets 4 here, where 5 meets 5 here, then 6 meets 6 here again, right? This is 5, this is 5 here, move. So where 5 meets 5, and we'll go to this point, 6. So taking, so I can easily call here to be, this is 5, right? So coming down from 0, it moves to 6. That will still be my 0 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you see that? That will be from 5 again. Now before we proceed, we'll start again from here, external again. So before we just make any error or mistake, I'll just connect this first of all, my faint line. So we'll not make any mistake. Connect these 3 points together this way. Then this one too, this way. Let's have this. Right, so I'll turn it this way. I'll have this. And I'll have this. Let's do faint line first. So take in, and I'll close it up this way, and here also this way, then the bottom here this way, then here also this way. Now once we've done that, we'll start moving up again from 0. Then the next one we have to the next line, right? This is 5. The next one will be what? We have 4. The next one will be what? We have 3. The next one will be what? We have 2. Next one will be what? We have 1. Then we'll go back to what? To 0 here. So I can start from here again. This will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So from here, we'll move again. Since I started from here, I'll start from this end again. 5. This one is what? 4. You must not repeat a point on the same line, 2 points on a line. The next one is what? 3. The next one is what? 2. The next one is what? 1. Then we'll go back to what? 5. Right? So I can easily just join this together. Faint line first. Just faint line, join these 3. So join these 3 together. First of all. Then we'll do these 2. First of all. Then I'll come here. So I'll turn it this way. Faint line. And this. Faint line. Then I'll connect this to this. This is just coming here. then this is coming here. Now this is also coming here, then coming here. So the next one is we're still coming down. We're dealing with external first of all. So we're coming down. The next one will be 1 touch 1, right? We'll go to 2. The next line is 2. Go to the next line is 3. We'll go to the next line is 4. Then the next line is 5. Then back to what? 6. So this will be another 0 here, right? I'll come here again. The next one is 1. The next one is 2. The next one is 3. The next one is 4. The next one is 5. Then we have what? 6. You can see that? So I'm going to connect those points together this way. So I can just take these 3 different lines first. Then this 3. Then I'll turn it this way. And this way. Then this is touching this. And this is touching this. Alright? So we're going to stop here. This is where we're stopping. And here also. This, the next line. Then the next line. Then the next line. Right? Then the next line. Then the next line. And we have this. So I can just connect this. So this will help you to reduce your confusion. So if you reduce your what? Your confusion. So we'll have this. And this is what we just have here. We'll stop here. So we've done with the external, right? Now what is remaining now is what is the internal. Is that again? What is remaining now is the internal. So I'll just join these points together. U to U, then U to U, then U to U, right? So we're coming. So I'm going to join this. I'll take in it now. Then this one too. This is what we have here. Then here too. Then I'll close it up. Now close it up. You can see that. I will not bring this one up because it is blocking what we have here. So we move forward. And this is coming from here to here. Sorry. Right. So So it's coming up. So this is closing up here. This is closing up here. Right? So it's coming this way. Then this is behind it. So we are coming there. This is what we have here. So we move forward. Now the next one will now be the what? The internal, right? It will be the internal. So if I should come from here, we have internal line from this point. This is internal. I'll roll it in, right? So I can easily just stick in here. Then there should be what? Hidden. Right? So we start. So the next one is another point here, internal. Another one again here, internal. Another one here again, here, internal. Then here also internal. And this also internal. Right? So we'll move. So where the first internal is starting here is 0, the next internal here is what? 1, the next internal 2, this is what? 2, then we have what? 3. So I can easily join these 3 points together. You can see that? Yeah, the same thing to happen here. The first internal, then the next one, then the next one, then back to 3. All these ones here are hidden line. So I can easily use hidden line for this. Can you see that? So we proceed. So we'll go from here, still internal. This is internal also, internal point. So if I trace it, this is the next point. Then the next internal is this on 5. This is the next point. Then the next internal is this on 6. This is what we have here. Right? So all these are just hidden line. Is that taken? They are what? They are hidden line. The rest are just hidden in. Also taking this here. Right? So proceed. So go to the next one. This is internal. The next point also here is internal. The next point also here is internal. Take it down. Is internal here. It will be here. And the next one is internal here. So this is what we have here. So I'll start going up again. Internal. Right? So I'll use my faint line to just join them together this way. Then the next point is internal here. then back to 3. So this is coming this way. Can you see that? So I'll use my French curve and I'll connect it. This is coming this way. Can you see that? And this, I can just close it up. Then this is coming this way. Right? So we'll continue moving. So the next one after this internal, we'll go to the next internal again, which is follow the line. Here's the next internal. Then go to the next line again. Here's the next internal. When you trace them, then we have the next internal here. So I can still come down here to this way. So this is connected to this point. So this is coming here this way. Then here. So this is internal. We trace it, another internal here. Right? Then back this third point here. So I can really connect this together. You can see that. Now we move again. This internal. The next internal is this line. So I'll come down. The next line. Next internal is this line. Then I'll come down. The next line. Next internal is this. Then this. Come here. So I should root to join these three. This is just coming here this way to touch this. Clean up. Can you see that? So if you have found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share the video. So thanks for watching.